What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on the AliExpress app. Once you're in AliExpress, you want to go ahead and click the notification bell on the upper right hand side. Then you'll find that you have some options here, but you want to go ahead and click the settings on the upper right again. Then here you'll be taken into the notification settings, and you can quickly turn on or off these notifications if you so desire. Alternatively, you can go ahead and you can turn on or off push notifications as well. So if you have push notifications turned on and those are literally affecting you, or let's say annoying you on your phone, you can go ahead and access it from there. So as you can see here, I have it off. And how do I access it? If you look here under the description right under notifications, it says turn on, and that means that I have it off. So if I click there, I can either turn this on or off, and I will not receive push notifications on my phone. Alternatively, I can enable or disable any one of these different notifications right here that I don't need to receive on my phone as well. But that's it guys, very easy and very simple.